Stay the course. Understanding and using this English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, stay the course. This is a common expression in English that can be incredibly useful in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of the English language. So, let's dive in. The phrase, stay the course, is an idiomatic expression. It means to continue doing something despite difficulties or challenges. It's often used to encourage someone to keep going and not give up, even when the situation becomes tough. The phrase can be traced back to nautical origins, where it literally meant to hold a ship's course despite rough seas or challenging conditions. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. 1. Personal encouragement. I know your training for the marathon is tough, but you've got to stay the course. 2. Professional context. Our project is facing some hurdles, but we need to stay the course to meet our deadlines. 3. Academic setting. Even though the course is challenging, it's important to stay the course to achieve your academic goals. These examples show that stay the course is versatile and can be used in various aspects of life. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, keep going, stick to it, don't give up. Understanding these can help you broaden your vocabulary and express the same idea in different ways. 1. Context matters. Use it in situations where persistence is required. 2. Positive reinforcement. It's often used to motivate or encourage, either yourself or others. 3. Cultural nuance. Be aware that its use might be more common in certain English-speaking cultures. Stay the course is more than just a phrase, it's a mantra for persistence and determination. Remember, learning a language is a journey with its own set of challenges, and it's important to stay the course in your learning too. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.